Hi, my name is Jared, and this week in Rideshare, Uber considers cannabis, public transit pays, and Lyft drivers get fixed. Legal Rideshare breaks it down. Let's start with Monday. Looks like Uber is taking the high road on weed delivery. CNBC explains. Quote, when the road is clear for cannabis, when federal laws come into play, we're absolutely going to take a look at it, the CEO of Uber said in a tech check interview. Well, after driver numbers have sank, some believe that Uber and Lyft need to make a sharp turn. Wall Street Journal explains. Quote, ride-hailing companies may want to further rethink their priorities, including their cherished profitability timelines, lest they risk losing both sides of their business. It looks like Uber has a new sales strategy: sell its tech. The Verge explains. Quote, for a subscription fee, these transit agencies will be able to use Uber's, quote, matching and marketplace technology to facilitate on-demand community rides using their own transit fleet, the company said. Well, your visit to the doctor may be getting a Lyft. See what I did there? The Verge explains. Quote, the program called Lyft Pass for Healthcare lets healthcare organizations or social service agencies create a budget and set approved pickup and drop-off locations. They then can share the pass with patients who can apply it to their ride. Lyft is offering a new service for its drivers, car maintenance. SI Live explains. Quote, customers visiting a driver center can receive routine maintenance as well as collision repairs like bodywork and new paint, and repairs for more complicated issues like ignitions, sensors, and fuel systems. Well, that is it for this week in Rideshare. See you next week.